It's the 60th anniversary of the studio tour, celebrating.
Yes, it is. Yes, welcome to 6 Points Town.
Hey, it's Woody and Winnie Woodpecker. It's Randy here from the Funnel Cake blog. Let's take a look now at what's new at Universal Studios Hollywood for the beginning of July 2024, including construction on the coaster and new props.
Universal is currently celebrating the 60th anniversary of the studio tour, and for a limited time, it's through the middle of about August, you can actually get off the studio tour off the tram at the Bates Motel set for some photo ops. It's a limited time, really cool experience. In addition to that, they have just recently added some new props and photo ops up here in Universal Plaza, including a E.T. photo op with Scuba George from Jaws, the DeLorean, the Western set, and then the avalanche scene from that used to be on the studio tour. So make sure you check it out. The Ice Tunnel 1975 to 2013 went through several iterations over its nearly 40 years as part of the studio tour. Originally called the Doomed Glacier Expedition, it used techniques such as forced perspective and surround sound to immerse guests in the dizzying terror of being trapped in an avalanche. In 1997, it was reimagined as Dante's Peak. The reimagining added ultraviolet lighting effects to simulate glowing lava. And then in 2001, it turned into The Mummy. Who remembers this attraction? Containing some of the oldest facades on the back lot, the Western sets 1964 to present, also known as 6 Point, Texas, consists of 6 Western-themed streets. The Stunt Show, which we're standing now, in 1964 was a live performance taking place in Visitors Village. When the area was reimagined as Prop Plaza in 1965, the Stunt Show was relocated to the newly built upper lot. A taste of the Old West remained at Prop Plaza in the form of a jail photo op. The popular experience allowed guests to get a photo behind bars without breaking the law. You can meet Scuba George here, and Universal just released a hilarious video on their social channels of Scuba George getting hired and training to be an Amity lifeguard, scuba diver actually, and you know what happens. So I didn't even know they had this, but they have coloring sheets and these punch-out studio tour tram craft paper craft boxes. You can punch out your own little tram. These are really cool, and they're free. They're just sitting up here on the tables. Let me show what it looks like punched out. And I remember when this was an actual Western set right here. That's how old I am. That's how old I am.
You're speaking our language.
Now we'll take a look at the construction area for the Fast and Furious Hollywood Drift roller coaster, scheduled to open in 2026. There is no date, but they're moving along quite rapidly here on this construction. You see the footers there for the coaster track supports. My assumption would be that this ride will open early 2026. That's when Universal typically opens their rides, but again, no date has been set.
That is it from Universal Studios Hollywood. This update for the Fast and Furious coaster, all the new photo ops. It is really hot today, so I just want to do a special thank you to all the team members working in this heat and all of our character friends too. I know it cannot be easy in this heat, but we appreciate it and the great guest experience.
If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed to the channel if you're not already subscribed, with that notification bell turned on so you don't miss any updates from here at Universal Studios Hollywood and updates on Halloween Horror Nights. It's coming up soon. Make sure to check out our video on the full 60th anniversary studio tour and all the limited time eats, food, and drinks around the park. Thanks for watching.